Every step hurts. Climbing stairs feels impossible. Even getting out of a chair has become a struggle. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world are living with severe knee pain, and for many of them, knee replacement surgery is the answer. But what if you could get that surgery done by world-class surgeons in accredited hospitals using the latest robotic technology? That's exactly what India offers, and in this video we'll show you everything you need to know. Knee replacement is a surgery where the damaged part of your knee is removed and replaced with an artificial joint made up of metal and medical grade plastic that moves just like a healthy knee. There are two main types: total knee replacement, where the entire joint is replaced, and partial knee replacement, where only the damaged portion is replaced, meaning a smaller cut and faster recovery. India's top hospitals also offer robotic-assisted knee replacement, where a robotic arm helps the surgeon place the implant with pinpoint precision, better fit, better alignment, and quick healing. Knee replacement is the right step when pain stops you from walking, climbing stairs, or sleeping, and when medicines and physiotherapy are no longer enough. In the United States, a total knee replacement typically costs between $30,000 to $50,000. In the UK or Australia or in private healthcare, the numbers are similar. In India, a complete knee replacement, including surgery, hospital stay, implants, and post-operative care, costs approximately $4,000 to $6,000. That's a saving of about 80% with absolutely no compromise on quality. India's top hospitals use globally certified implants, the same implants used in the best hospitals in the US and Europe. India is home to some of the Asia's most advanced orthopedic centers: Vedanta, the Medicity, Gurugram, one of the largest private hospitals in India; Artemis Hospital, Gurugram, JCI and NABH accredited with a dedicated orthopedic center; Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, India's first JCI accredited hospital with a pioneer in knee replacement surgery; BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi, one of the top orthopedic centers in North India with a dedicated joint replacement program; Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai, a trusted destination for international patients with a comprehensive orthopedic team. The orthopedic surgeons performing knee replacements in India are among the most experienced in the world: Dr. IPS Oberoi, Gurugram; Dr. Raju Vaishya, New Delhi; Dr. Pradeep Bhosale, Mumbai; Dr. Ashok Rajgopal, Gurugram; and Dr. Rajiv Verma, New Delhi. Vaidam Health has helped patients from over 125 countries access world-class medical care in India. We handle everything: reviewing your x-rays and reports, getting opinions from top orthopedic specialists, arranging visa letters, airport transfers, hospital admission, stay, and coordinating with your physiotherapy and follow back home. You get an honest, independent recommendation based purely on what's best for your health. Knee pain doesn't have to define your life. Share your reports and X-ray and receive a free no-obligation treatment plan within 24 hours. Walk pain-free again. Vaidam is here to make it happen.